Albania GDP 17.74 billion US dollars. Jamaica GDP 15.45 billion US dollars. Zimbabwe GDP 20.5 billion US dollars. Afghanistan GDP 19.81 billion US dollars. And nearly 20 more such countries like Nepal, Zambia, Cyprus, Iceland, Georgia. Much more than the GDP of all of these. Gautam Adani, chairperson of Adani Group, personal net worth 155.7 billion US dollars. These things are from this world and not from anywhere else. Not of the past or future, but of the present. And this is where we come, maybe in some job which we got after getting admission in a good degree from a good college, struggling to save some money every month, waiting for the next salary. Every day different expenses are increasing. It feels like I should change my job because this company is paying very little. Credit card bills have to be paid every month, installments and rent have to be paid, or a student doing a course with lots of expectations, pursuing a degree which will hopefully help in making a lot of money, having no personal savings, sacrificing everything every day. Be it their favorite clothes or food, any gift for parents or a pair of new shoes. Becoming rich and wealthy is a dream in a dream for a student. How do these people do it? Seeing these millionaires and billionaires, you repeatedly ask yourself this question, especially those who have done a lot at a very young age. Seeing them, you get angry with yourself. If I tell you that there is a deep science behind becoming rich, after understanding which, anyone can become rich by applying it. If I tell you that you don't need to kill any more of your dreams, that bungalow, that dream of traveling the whole world, you can make that a reality. I might seem like a liar to all of you, but I promise all of this is true. And at the end of this video, you will yourself know that there is a way about which nobody ever told you. The path is definitely difficult. There is a lot of struggle, a lot of ups and downs will be there. The beliefs taught in schools, colleges, and the society will be broken. What do you understand about money? What do you think? Is this the thing for which we work from morning to evening? Can it be earned only by hard work, or the real money is inherited by a person? Is this really the root of all the trouble, or is it all an illusion? Should one not go beyond his capacity? You have to make a lot of effort to earn money. It is easier said than done. Money doesn't grow on trees. Are you also desperate to earn money? Have you been chasing this money all your life? Do you think that money is only scum on the hands? Earn as much as you want. Earning money is the easiest job in the world. The truth is that whatever we think about money comes from our upbringing, family, and environment. If you are also born in such a family where the problem of money has been there since the beginning, then you will easily accept that money does not grow on trees. We have to work hard. That resource is time. The amount of time that you devote to a standard job, you get the same amount of money. If you do part-time, then you get paid for part-time. If you do full-time, then you will get paid for full-time. And if you do overtime, you will get paid for overtime. This simply means that the amount of money you earn is directly proportional to the amount of time you put into the job. If you earn 30,000 a month, then, according to this equation, it will take you 28 years to earn 1 crore. In this too, we've not estimated household expenses and taxes for 28 years. Also keep in mind, with rising inflation, the value of this 1 crore will not remain the same as today after 28 years. So the truth is that if we go by the income of 30,000 or 50,000 per month, then you would be able to become millionaires only by the time you reach old age. And your most valuable and most precious resource, that is time, would have just slipped through your hand. People say that there is a lot of money in Bollywood. Actors earn a lot of money, but it is possible for actors to earn more. When there is a market for Bollywood films, there should be a demand for that actor in the Bollywood industry. His acting should be able to connect with people, generate feelings. People will see the value first, only then will they feel like spending money on tickets. And if they spend money, only then actors will earn good money. And this whole thing is applicable in every field where people earn a lot of money, be it cricket, be it football, be it any other field. And if there is a demand for the field of cricket, then just imagine the people who are on top in this field. How much money would they make? It really doesn't matter how much and for how long you work. A sweeper who works so hard cleaning the whole building, he gets exhausted, or a labourer who carries so much load on his own body, yet he always earns less than a surgeon and accountant who sits in the cabin the entire day. He always earns less than them. Why is that so? because according to the market, the value of sweeper and labor is very low in comparison with a surgeon and accountant. I'm not happy saying this, but this is a bitter reality that a sweeper, a watchman, or a laborer can be replaced easily. Their work is not difficult to learn, so anyone can replace them anytime. They do not have any specific skill, and that is why the market will never pay them more money than a surgeon. If you really want to do this same thing, then the first step is very simple, that if you want money, then solve any problem. If you pay a little attention to this statement, then you will be able to realize that every company in the world is earning money by solving every business problem. If any problem is solved, then you can earn a lot of money. The bigger the problem, the more money. If there is a problem of lakhs, you will earn lakhs. And if there is a problem of crores, you will be able to make crores of rupees. Just think, did Ola Uber solve any problem? Did OYO Rooms solve any problem? Has Amazon solved any problem? Yes. The hassle of going to the shops to buy goods, shopping in the crowd, the problem of waiting for weeks for delivery, making the products available at low prices, and whatnot. Now think about any company and see whether they are solving a problem, be it Tesla, SpaceX, Google, YouTube, Zoom, Swiggy, Zomato. The final step in this money game is to find a highly scalable solution to the problem. Your solution should reach as many people as possible, and it should impact the lives of those people. How about the idea of starting a restaurant? No. This is not at all scalable, as the restaurant's customer base would be limited, because people only from that area would become your customers. But how about the idea of launching a franchise model? Yes, that's certainly scalable. Maybe you build a software as a solution, so once you have created that software, now you can scale it online as much as you want without the tension of production or shipping. This is very much scalable. You can never get this scalability in a job. But one more thing that you have to keep in mind is whether your solution is consuming your time too. Let's suppose you are a guitar tutor, and for 1 hour of guitar tuition you charge 2,000 rupees. Congratulations, you too have tied yourself in a job. You're just feeling like this is a business. But here again, the amount of money is directly proportional to the amount of time you put in. Your income will remain time-bound again, but if you record an online guitar class for which you have to make a one-time effort, but anyone would be able to see it 24/7 anytime, then just imagine the level of scalability this business would have. If there is anything in your business that you can outsource, or instead of doing it yourself, you can get it done by hiring another employee. Assuming it financially sounds good to you, makes sense to you, then you should do it. Now, I have a question for you. All this hard work was for exactly what? All this hard work was not just for money. You all have heard this before, that money is just a piece of paper. And that's true. It's nothing more than a number on a screen. Money has value only as long as we believe in its value. The most important lesson of this entire video was not at all about how to earn money. Rather, it was about that valuable and ultimately precious resource which we cannot hold even if we want to, our time. Once it is gone, we cannot bring it back, even after spending billions of rupees. Yes, I know that I could not touch and cover a lot of points like business, money, entrepreneurship. All these topics are very detailed, and literally, it's too vast to cover in a single video. But if you want to move forward in this journey, then I would strongly recommend you to definitely read some of MJ DeMarco's books, who inspired me a lot to create such content. And I would like to remind you again that it is a fact that most people will never be successful due to different reasons. But the most important thing is that failing is very important. Failing fast is very much important, and moving on to the next thing is the best principle that has helped me a lot in my journey. And if you are doing something that is not at all related to business, but yes, you want to make money, then just ask yourself, that which problem am I solving? What problem am I solving? What is the problem that I can solve? When you would ask this question to yourself, you could discover some amazing ways using which you will be able to solve many problems around you. Whatever you are doing, you will be able to monetize it in a different way. Like if you are doing a job and if you become an expert in solving problems, wow, you will get a promotion very soon. We will end this video with the message that I have repeated several times in this video. Don't run after money. Run after problems, finding solutions to problems. Focus on that. Just chase the solution. Okay, so finally you have reached the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching it out. Wait, don't go right now. We would like to take some of your time to thank you again for watching this video till the end. Because for creating a documentary-style video like this, a lot of efforts are put in doing the research, preparing the script, editing in the shoot. You can't even imagine how happy I am and how good it feels to see your support. So now, if this video has genuinely added some value in your lives and you really enjoyed the video, do not forget to hit the like button. And if you did not like it, make sure you hit that dislike button. Do share your views on this topic by commenting so that our entire community can interact and learn a lot with each other. And a lot of awesome videos are going to come on this channel in entertaining documentary style. If you don't want to miss out on any such video, then immediately hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notification whenever a new video will get uploaded on this channel. Also check the settings once, make sure that all notifications are turned on. And yes, how to earn 1 crore in 3 years? What were the strategies of Praful Bilora, Aryan Tripathi, Ashutosh Pratihast? What strategies did they adopt to earn crores of rupees? If you want to know, watch coming videos. You will understand.